Welcome to my channel. How to reset Xfinity router. 1. Locate the reset button. Find the small reset button on the back or bottom of your Xfinity router, labeled Reset or Restore Factory Settings. 2. Ensure the router is powered on. Make sure the router is plugged in, powered on, and all indicator lights are active. 3. Use a pointed tool. Use a paperclip or similar object to press the reset button. 4. Press and hold. Hold down the reset button for about 10 to 30 seconds until the router lights start flashing. 5. Release the button, let go of the button, and the router will automatically reboot and reset to its factory settings. Six. Wait for the reboot. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for the router to fully restart. The lights will stabilize when it's ready. 7. Reconnect devices. Use the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the router to reconnect your devices. 8. Access the admin panel. Open a browser, enter 10.0.0.0.1 in the address bar, and log in using the default admin credentials, found on the router label. 9. Reconfigure settings. Set up your Wi-Fi name, password, and other preferences, as all previous configurations are erased after the reset. 10. Save and test. Save your changes and test the connection on multiple devices to ensure everything is working correctly. Thank you for watching.